Bunker suitcase series consists of 3 models: Bunker S, Bunker S Plus, and Bunker M. The telescopic handle has several height adjustment positions. There is a top carry handle, 4 feet on one side, and another handle on the opposite side. Durable and reliable wheels. They have a coating for smooth and silent movement. They rotate 360 degrees, the anti-vandal zipper, as well as the TSA lock in the S and M models, and the double TSA lock in the Bunker S Plus model. The Bunker S Plus model has an additional compartment for a laptop. The suitcases have 2 compartments inside. Lightweight and durable material polycarbonate. It is resistant to impacts and deformations. Each model is available in 2 colors, gray and blue.